The video. Here, we're back. I'm just gonna take a picture quick. So guys, this is part 3. I'm sorry, I ended the video on accident instead of trying to take a picture. So, anyway. So I was just taking a picture of the chinchilla and accidentally ended it, but.
I do too. I want everything.
You're so cute, mister.
Assistance to small animals, please. Assistance to small animals. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Mr. Guinea Pig. Mom, don't touch the birds. You're not supposed to. Yeah, you're not supposed to. Mom, you're not supposed to. It says please no hands, thank you. Here, should I show you what these face birds look like?
I wonder if they can get them for you.
Huh?
I wonder if they can let you get hold of them.
This is that bird right there that's walking, right here. That bird with the blue.
I like the blue.
That's what face birds looks like.
Like this one?
No, the ones with more blue on it. That's, look at right here, where all the birds are.
Yeah.
That one that just went on the tree.
Okay. Oh, under the
Yeah,
tree?
that one. That's what face birds look like. My mom has a question. She wants to know if she can hold the bird.
The birds aren't hand tamed, so no,
Yeah.
not really. They would just either fly away or bite.
Yeah.
They're not the ones that like, if you touch their belly and then climb up.
Well, they can,
Oh, look at the cute little
Yeah,
stars.
these ones, these wouldn't be able to realistically tame them all.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's a pretty husky. Look at the beautiful husky. Can I pet your puppy?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my god.
Come say hi.
Hi! Hi! He's big.
Yeah.
Is he, what's it called? Is he a purebred or is he
No.
mixed?
He's a husky and a Malamute mix.
That's cool. He's a big dog.
Yeah.
He's
Big and
really
full
pretty.
of energy. So
Yeah.
This is after the dog park. So.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he'd be really hyper right now.
He would jump on you probably.
Well, he knows he's not supposed to do that.
He's a good
Well,
puppy.
sometimes we get like super hyper. We'll be like,
I want a husky so bad, a purebred husky. They tend, if you get the big ones, like the bigger ones, they get pretty big.
do you work here?
No. The lady in the blue hair though does. The other blue hair, not me, but
Oh, okay.
That one back there.
yeah, the one that was over there, yeah.
Maybe someday you'll get to have one.
I will. I want a chinchilla.
Yeah, they're awesome.
I know. Okay, guys. So, anyway, there's a puppy, the husky right there that I got to pet. I don't know if I got his face correctly. Anyway, but I'm going to pause this so I can. I'm gonna pause this, guys, so I can show my mom the big fish. And yeah. So I'm gonna pause this quick and then I'll get right back. Okay? Guys, mom's petting the ferret.
Oh, she wants me to hold her.
You can hold her.
Oh, she's biting my paws.
Oh, she's cute.
Oh. Ow. 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 Are you kidding me? Is that video?
Yeah.
She won't let it go.
He's biting her.
Grab, yeah. By the back to the scruff. There we go.
That's
Bit
cute.
my hand. She's got into a fight with a big 1-year-old German Shepherd. He bit my hand. Oh, they nip. They nip, Amanda. I know. She wants my. Wants to play. She wants to play. Ow! Grab her by her scruff. There you go, behind the neck. I've had ferrets.
So cute.
She's biting you. Careful. Oh, she likes
She's so cute.
She likes my coat. Did you hear me?
It's a German Shepherd.
Baby German Shepherd?
Yeah.
She loves that so much.
Desi,
Did you hear me?
Desi, take a
She
picture.
just got into a fight with a 1-year-old German Shepherd, Amanda.
Of me with her. Yeah, I'm getting you.
Hey, bite.
Mama's holding the ferret and it's biting her closely.
Come on. How do I get it off, Dwayne? Dwayne. It's not, it won't let go. Pull her by her scruff. And I did. She's hard.
Yeah, the nocturnal.
There you go.
Yes, that.
Let go. Let go. You're not supposed to lift these. Yeah. Now put her down. And when they nip, you're supposed to tap them.
She what?
Pooped on the floor when I was
She got a hole in my shirt.
The bunny pooped on the floor when I was holding her.
What?
The bunny pooped on the floor when I was
Give me a
holding her.
kiss.
Nippy.
She
Look at me.
was letting me play with
Nippy.
it. Look. Give me a bruise.
Hope she had been back.
These are nuts.
Mom, she
It
pooped on the floor when I was holding
climbed
her.
in my. It climbed. It wanted to.
We should name you Nippy.
I'm too nervous to pick them
Look,
up
she
yet.
jumps. She jumps. She wants my coat.
We should name her Nippy.
She wants my coat.
You guys are missing all the puppy action over there.
Look, she's trying to get to my coat again.
Well, leave her alone, Amanda. Get your hand out of there.
Why? I'm just playing with her.
Let's go.
She's cute.
I know they are.
Mom,
That's
move.
how they
I want to
bite
see
you.
her.
She already did bite me. I mean, it hurt, but. Oh,
She's
don't do
adorable.
that. Don't do that. No, don't let her. She'll bite a hole in it. Look,
Nippy.
look, she already
Nippy.
got a hole in my.
Look at her.
Sure.
She's so cute.
I know, but.
Nippy.
She bit my hole in her shirt.
Hi, Nippy. Hey, Nippy. You're so adorable. Hi. It's adorable. But they bite. Mom, I see your hand. Let me see your hand. Look at the mark
I got a bruise
from her.
She was bit, and then she put a hole in my shirt.
Yeah, well, you missed the real action.
What?
Linda got into a fight with a 1-year-old German Shepherd.
Say it to the camera.
Say it
I
to
like
the
them to
camera.
know. Say it to the camera.
Say it to the camera, Dwayne.
Okay.
Look
So Dwayne
back.
doesn't want to say it because he's a dork.
No, he
But
just don't like
Serenity,
cameras.
he doesn't like cameras either. But
Look, I'll show you.
Serenity
I got a
into a
hole
fight
in my
with a
shirt.
1-year-old German Shepherd.
Ferret put a hole in my shirt and bit my hand.
Now she
And
got
had a
bruised.
bruise, and this is psoriasis, if you're wondering.
Yeah. Okay, my mom had psoriasis, but that doesn't matter. Okay, but Serenity got into a fight with a 1-year-old German Shepherd too. So, anyway.